What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Please just ignore this little girl's faces because she wants to be silly like that. Show them the products. Show them the products we're gonna be using today. No, okay, we did use this because her hair and my hair is drying up now, but I think it's okay. And yes, we used the brush because we already like combed out our hair or brushed out our hair. Gel, no, we haven't used this yet. So we're gonna be using these two products, Tgin Curl Balm Moisturizing Styling Gel and Tgin Miracle Repair and Protective Leave-In Conditioner. Show them this one. All right. She already used this one in her hair. I did not put this in my hair. It's just a detangler. It's at Jackie's, not on my watch. Instant detangling therapy. I have been testing out a lot of detangling products out for her because my baby girl's hair does get tangled a lot, you guys. I don't know if it's just a kid thing, but her hair is always tangled. So I'm always trying out different detangler products. But yeah, this one, we're almost done with it. It's all right. We're gonna be trying out some other ones. We haven't found.
I didn't do that.
Anyways, it's like impossible to talk to you guys with this little clown right here. So let's just get started on this review.
Yeah.
So our hair is both wet. What I like to do with her hair is not the same as mine. As you guys can see, it's a little bit wavy, not curly at all. People always think that she has curly hair like me. When they see my hair, they're like, oh, your daughter must have really curly hair. I'm like, no, she does not. So with her hair, I'm only gonna be using this product, this conditioner product. So I'm gonna take some of this product.
I want to do that. Can I do that, please?
And her hair is pretty thin too. You can take some too and put some in your hair. So we're gonna split your hair in half, girl, like this.
I want to do yours.
Oh yeah, we'll do mine after, but let's get on yours right now. And I'm gonna just go ahead and run my fingers through her hair with the product.
Can you stop that now? I don't like it.
Yeah, she's so sensitive, you guys, when it comes to doing her hair. She's always like, ow, ow, ow. And I can be like the gentlest on her hair, and she's just like, she's not having it.
Yeah, I don't like that part.
Okay, you guys, so now that her product is like distributed well in her hair. Okay, so the only reason why I do use conditioners in her hair, even though she has like kind of like more straight hair, she does have a little bit of dry hair. So it's not like it's frizzy, it just kind of gets puffed out in a way. So that's why I kind of use conditioners in her hair. So what I like to do once I finish applying the product,
No, I don't want to brush.
brush it so it like distributes better in her hair. Okay, and now I'm all done with her hair. Let them see your hair. Let me see. Turn around for them so they can see your hair. No. Okay, turn this way. Turn. Just like that. So her hair is just gonna dry now, and we'll show you guys. We'll show you guys once it's dry. So now on to me. My hair did dry a little bit, so what I'm gonna do is take a spray bottle and spray it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this wet brush and brush my hair out just to make sure it didn't get tangled up again. I'm gonna take this satin hair tie and tie my hair up so that I'm able to apply the product in sections. I am gonna put the link down below to these hair ties. I did mention it on Instagram. It was a while ago, you guys, but I did purchase these, I believe, for $10. And it came in a pack of like 10 or something. I'm not sure. I think, don't quote me. I'll just go ahead and put that link down below. And I did purchase some for my daughter. So if you guys have kids, or if you guys want the colorful one, I prefer just the color black. It's rare when you see me with like a color hair tie in my hair. But I did purchase like the colorful ones for my daughter. So if you guys do have kids, I'll go ahead and put that link down below so you guys can see which ones I purchased. So now I'm going to start applying this product in my hair. The consistency of this product is not so heavy, you guys. It's like, it's not too light. Like this one feels like watery, the detangler. It's not like that. It feels pretty good. It's like just a lightweight conditioner. all done applying this product, I'm gonna go ahead and take the gel and apply that. Not as I did before, but just like to finish it up. I'm just gonna kind of apply it over, just rake my fingers through my hair, just like that. Now I'm taking my Diva Curl towel and I'm gonna use it to scrunch my hair. Just like that, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair air dry and I'm gonna check back in once it's fully dry. Oh my goodness, girl, look at your face. Look at that, all from that lollipop. Okay, we gotta clean that up. Okay, guys, so our hair is officially dry. My hair took way longer than hers. She has very little hair, okay? So it just dries real quick. But this is how her hair is. It's really just straight and it has some curls at the bottom. Well, not really. It's like wavy. You see that? But what I like about adding a conditioner to her hair when her hair's wet, it helps eliminate any frizz that she does get. Because I noticed that Janessa, like, she doesn't have like my type of hair and she doesn't have like really straight hair. It's kind of just straight wavy. It can be real dry, so that's why I like to add a conditioner in her hair, just to avoid any frizz, but just to give her hair a little bit of a shine. Not that her hair isn't shiny, it does have a shine to it, but I like to add my Diva Curl High Shine in her hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this just a little bit directly on her hair. First her tips, and then and just like that. You guys can't even see her. Come right here. She's eating a lollipop, you guys, so let me see. Turn around for them. Turn around. No, turn around. Turn, girl, turn. Like this. All you can. No, stand up. Look. I don't know. Okay, we just suck at this, all right? Now you're free. So this is how my hair actually dried. I did not scrunch my hair out, and it kind of looks like I did. I didn't, you guys. So what I'm gonna do is go in with my Diva Curl High Shine, and I'm going to put that on my hands just like that, and just like scrunch my hair out. Just like that. Look at those curls, you guys. They look so much more alive. Now I'm gonna do the same on this side. Now I'm just gonna flip my hair and scrunch it some more. My hair looks too good right now. It looks real good. This combo was legit a good combo. Look at these curls. Look at these curls. Let's take a moment and just appreciate these curls. Baby, do you like mommy's hair?
Yeah, I do.
Thank you, boo. Alright, you guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys love my curls. You guys should try this combo out because I'm in love right now. My hair is like so, how you say that, voluminous, something like that, you know what I'm saying? It has a lot of volume, you guys. This combo really did surprise me, you guys. So try them out. So good. So good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know what other products you guys would like me to try out. Let me know what you guys think. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Baby, say bye. They can see you. Don't be rude. Babe, say bye. You guys notice her hand? Say bye again. Alright, you guys.